What's up YouTube? I'm back at you again with another video. This is another pickup. This is gonna be the Los Angeles Raiders snapback that I ordered from Amazon for like $14.98. Yeah, it hasn't came in yet, but it's gonna be here in like 3 to 4 hours. I ordered this on July 10th and today's July 13th, which is Friday the 13th. This is it right here. Click on it. Los Angeles Raiders. So it's $9.99 plus $4.96, which is shipping. But, so altogether that'll be like $14.98. So yeah, Los Angeles Raiders authentic snapback, new and sticker hat, open cap. I don't know what that means. So yeah, yeah. So when it comes, I'm gonna get back at you. What's up, YouTube? I just got the package in the mail, and I'm about to unbox it for you guys. So yeah, let's get into it. So here we got the hat. So here we got the Los Angeles Raiders. Black brim, black letters, black air holes, black buttons, gray snap, green underbrim with the NFL sticker. Here you got NFL vintage. So yeah, this is the hat. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Wear it like that. Wear it like this. So yeah, prefer to wear it like that. So yeah, this is a dope hat. Alright, so this is the overtop view. This is Los Angeles Raiders. Yeah, so it's a dope hat, and you should get it. I put the link down in the description where you can get it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.